Depending on the type of subfloor in your area, the next few steps may vary. Check for square and plumb. Use a framing square to check the corners. Then use a 6-foot level to check the framing for plumb. A 2 or 4-foot level isn't long enough to give an accurate reading of plumb over the height of your door. Now remove any exterior trim below the door opening. Then use self-adhesive flashing tape to properly seal the opening. Check your local building codes for specific requirements for your region. Most door applications require a rigid sill pan. Follow manufacturer's instructions closely, making sure to dry fit before assembly and use the included adhesive. Some applications, such as house to garage doors, may not require a rigid sill pan. If your entry does not require a sill pan, you'll still need to apply sealant under the sill to stop any air, insects, or moisture infiltration.